Hedera or Hbar is a cryptocurrency that is currently ranked 29 and has a market cap of about $2 billion. In the past 24 hours, it has exchanged $155.28 million worth of coins. This showed that Hedera was on a bullish trend. Since then we've seen it push up and then pull back to retest the smaller EMAs like the 20 and 80 EMAs. As a result, Hedera has gone up by about 16%. While we expect some consolidation in this area, it's important to remember that Hedera is still on a bullish trend. Over the next few days we can expect Hedera to keep going up. To the signs we've looked at show that this is a strong sign trend, even though we are currently overbought. The widening of the outer bands supports this positive outlook. However, it's important to remember that the cloud indicator points to the possibility of consolidation before a possible breakout. This means that we might see a period of consolidation in the near future, followed by a breakout as shown by the Hbar Z-score indicator. If you like our channel, don't forget to like it and sign up for our newsletter. Thank you for watching, and may you have a truly good day. Now let's turn our attention to Ethereum. Not only in the last week, but also in the last day, Ethereum has seen a lot of growth. This shows that the market and investors are confident in Ethereum. Ethereum is an independent blockchain platform that lets people make apps that don't need a central server, like smart contracts. dApps that have their own money. Ether is used to run smart contracts and keep the Ethereum network running. Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community because it was one of the first blockchain technologies. The Ethereum network has changed the way we think about and use digital contracts, decentralized applications, and even initial coin offerings, ICOs, to raise money. One of the most important ways Ethereum can be used is in decentralized money and finances. Platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to offer different financial services like loans, yield farming, decentralized exchanges, and the creation of synthetic assets as people look for decentralized alternatives to standard financial systems. Because of what Ethereum can do for non-fundable tokens, DeFi's rise has made Ethereum more important and used. NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and real things, have become more popular. NFTs have become very popular in areas like digital art and games. Collectibles and the rights to intellectual property. Ethereum is the main blockchain for NFT development and transactions because it is compatible and reliable. As Ethereum continues to change, its future looks very bright. The upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's transition to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This change has gotten a lot of attention from the crypto community because it could open up even more growth opportunities for Ethereum. Its current value of $1,920 and interesting nature make it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. Ethereum's importance in the crypto community can't be overstated, as its strong ecosystem serves as a catalyst for innovation and decentralization. Ethereum is used in many different areas, such as smart contracts, digital currency exchanges, and digital voting. We should find out if this increase means that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor talked about his ideas for how Bitcoin will be used in the future. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees a growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: technical, political, and it's only Saylor agreed that some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple helped make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that some people, like the old or people who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, might be better off giving their things to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally figure out the best mix of ways to integrate. On CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin worth $6.1 billion has been bought and sold. Bitcoin is at the top and is worth $571 billion on the market. There are 19,455,6681 BTC coins in circulation right now, but the most that can be made is 21 million BTC coins. How much is Bitcoin going to cost? The amount of support for Bitcoin, which is around $29,200,000, hasn't changed, and neither has the technical picture for it. BTC has a neutral bias right now because it is unlikely to go above $29,600 in the next 4 hours. BTC could reach $30,000 if there is a positive breakout above $29,600. The price of Bitcoin has reached $29,200, which is a key retracement mark of 61.8%. Seeing doji candles close shows that the price has reached a key retracement mark of 61.8%. Up top, this level could be a sign of a price correction that goes up, but if the price falls below this point, it could go down to 29,200. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional